Welcome to DOCTORS NEET ACADEMY. Today I am going to solve 7 problems in hydrocarbon chapter. Let us see the first question in this chapter. The alkane that gives only one monochloro product on chlorination with Cl2 in presence of diffuse sunlight. Okay, so that alkane should give only one chloro product. That's called monochloro product. They are asking. Okay, so which kind of alkane they are asking? That's a question. Okay, suppose here, suppose if I take this one N-pentane. N-pentane means outright N-pentane. N-pentane means this N-pentane. No, so 5 carbon. Isn't it? 5 carbon. Okay, so then fill by hydrogen. You know that CH3, CH2. Okay, CH2. Here also CH2. Here CH3. Understood? Okay, this is called N-pentane. Understood? Okay, 5 carbon. N means normal. No, all the carbon straight line. Suppose when chlorine is passed to this compound, what are the possible product means what? What are the possible product when I pass in when chlorine reacts with this compound? Say suppose if you replace here means what? Primary. This also primary, isn't it? Okay. If you replace here means secondary. Okay. If you replace this hydrogen by chlorine means we are getting secondary product. Here also secondary product. Here also secondary. Here also secondary product. Okay. So here two different kind of product is obtained when you use N-pentane, but they are asking only one monochloro product. They are asking. Okay. So which kind of alkane we have to select? Understood? Suppose here then I am selecting what? Neopentane. What is neopentane? Neopentane means what? Around the carbon atom we have 4 carbon atom. Okay, this is called neopentane. No, neo. We have 5 carbon. So around the carbon atom we have 4 carbon atom. Now we can fill by hydrogen. You know that. So this also CH3. This also CH3. Okay. This also what? CH3. CH3. Understood? Okay. Now when you pass chlorine in presence of sunlight, what happened? If you replace here or here, okay, all are same kind of product. Okay. So this is the only one alkane can produce only monochloro product. Okay. So other can produce 2 different kind of products, primary and secondary, or sometimes tertiary also. It can able to produce tertiary also. So this is the only common can produce only monochloro product. So answer is what? Neopentane. This answer. Okay. Right. Next one. Hydrocarbon A reacts with bromine by substitution to form an alkyl bromide, which by Wood's reaction is converted into gaseous hydrocarbon containing less than 4 carbon atom. Okay. So you take any one hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means here mostly any hydrocarbon undergo Wood's reaction means what? Only alkane. No, only alkane. Alkane only can involve. No. Okay. So we are getting only alkane as a product in Wood's reaction. Okay. So you just neglect this one. This is all you can neglect. Okay. Okay. Understood. Suppose here if you use this hydrocarbon, what happen? If you use this hydrocarbon, so you know that CH3. Understood? Plus reacts with bromine. You know that what happened? We get the product CH3 CH2. Understood? CH2Br. Understood? Right. Again, this under the Wood's reaction. What's the product? Wood's reaction. You know that Wood's reaction. I put just like Wood's reaction. Wood's reaction. We are using sodium as one of the reactant. This also write 2 times. This also write 2 times. But we get what? The product what? Product what? N-butane we are getting. Understood? N-butane. Understood? We get N. Okay. Okay. If you use this alkane, we get twice the carbon. No, it will be more. Okay. But they are asking what? To get gaseous hydrocarbon less than 4 carbon atom. Less than 4 carbon atom means this kind of alkane we should not take. Okay. So what we can take means we can take only methane. If you use methane plus bromine, we get methyl bromide. Again, this undergo Wood's reaction to get ethane only is obtained. So the answer is what? D is the correct answer. Are you following? Understood? Right. If you use ethane, we will be getting N-butane. But see the question, less than 4 carbon atom. Okay, right. Next one. The most suitable reagent for the conversion of, on butane is given. It undergo reduction, we get what? Cis-2-butene. No. Cis always produces what? Lindless catalyst. Okay, Lindless catalyst only. If you put this catalyst, then only we are getting cis-2-butene. If this is what Birch reduction. Okay, this always produces. Just remember this one. This always produces trans product. This is called Lindless catalyst. This is called Lindless catalyst always produces cis product. Okay, so answer what? So this C is the correct one. Are you following? Okay, so for getting cis product, this catalyst should be used. Okay, undergo reduction to get that compound. Understood? Okay, next one. Suppose same thing. Suppose here if you put trans means what? So this answer. Understood? It's a Birch reduction. This the name of the reaction is called Birch reduction. Sodium dissolved in ammonia. Okay. This is simple one. Reaction HBr with propane. Okay, it's very simple. Propane. That CH3, CH, double bond, CH2 plus what? HBr. That or not gives that Peroxide is given, no? So peroxide means we should follow what? We should follow anti-Markovnikov rule. Understood? So anti-Markovnikov rule means what? First you split down H plus, we have minus. Here also we have to break. Okay. So anti-Markovnikov rule means not negative part will go. Who will go? The positive part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Understood? Positive part goes here. Automatically the negative part goes to this side. No? Understood or not? Okay. So what's the product? We are getting 1 bromo. Okay. 1 bromopropane. 1 bromopropane otherwise is called what? N propyl bromide. Otherwise. Okay. Right. So what's the product? So know that CH3. Understood? CH2. CH2. Br. Understood? This is nothing but we can say 1 bromopropane. Understood? 1 bromopropane. Nothing but what? N propyl bromide. Understood? Right. Are you following? Okay. Next one, fifth one, which is maximum stable. So stability depends upon more number of alkyl group, which are having more number of alkyl group. Okay. So here when compared to 1 butene and 2 butene, this is having some more alkyl group, so we can neglect this one. Okay. You take cis and trans. Okay. First you should write 2 butene. Outright means 2 butene outright. Okay. This is called. Okay. So okay. That is first I write the cis compound. Cis compound means what? Same side, same groups are there. This is called cis compound. Cis, that. Are you following? Same sides, similar groups are present. This is called what? Cis 2 butene. Okay. Cis 2 butene. Understood? Right. What is trans 2 butene? So just this one you keep as it is. Double bond. CH3. H. Understood? Okay. Here similar group in opposite side. Similar group in opposite side. No. Okay. Similar group in same side is called cis 2 butene. Similar group in opposite side is called trans 2 butene. Okay. This is called what? Trans 2 butene. Understood? Okay. Right. So here, if whenever there's a similar groups here, there's a steric hindrance or the steric effect will be there between this and this. Okay. Due to steric effect, this is less stable. But here also big groups are present, but the big groups are present in opposite direction. Okay, opposite side, no. So no steric effect in this case. That's why trans 2 butene is the answer, correct one. Understood? Right. Okay, here we have to find out which one is maximum stable. Maximum stability depends upon the only that if 2 groups are nearby means we have some steric effect. So that the here some steric effect will be there. So steric effect means automatically this is what? This is less stable. Okay, this is less stable somewhat when compared to trans. It's less stable. But here also same group, but the same big groups are present in opposite side. No, so such the steric effect is not here. Then only we can say this is somewhat more stable. Understood? Somewhat stable when compared to that. Okay, so answer C is the correct one. Understood? Next one. 2 bromopentane is heated with potassium ethoxide in ethanol. The major product obtained they're asking. Okay, 2 bromopentane. 2 bromopentane means here how many carbon we have to put? 5 carbon. No. Okay, 5 carbon. 2 having bromine. No. So 2 having bromine. Then you can fill by hydrogen. How to fill up? CH3. CH2, understood? Okay. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, Br, CH3, understood? Okay. Then potassium ethoxide, nothing but in ethanol. So here nothing but alcoholic KOH, that reaction. Okay. The alcoholic KOH. You just remember. Always you study only alcoholic KOH, but they are asking in different way. Sodium ethoxide in ethanol. Okay. So nothing but Zaitsev rule. Follow the Zaitsev rule. Here, from alpha carbon, Br is removed. From beta carbon, H is removed. Dehydrohalonization taking place. So that here what? How to remove? This is alpha carbon. No, I told you this is alpha carbon. This is called what? Beta carbon. This is also beta. Okay. So this beta, this side only we have longer alkyl group. That's why I'm taking here only. So simply we can remove this one. So the product nothing but what? The double bond is coming in between alpha and beta. Understood? So product will be okay. What's the product? CH3, CH2, CH2. Understood? It comes in between these two, no? Okay. CH, CH3. Understood? Nothing but when you give the number from right to left, 1, 2, 3. In between 2 and 3, no? So pen 2 in. Okay. Okay. Pen 2 in. So pen 2 in means what? This is a pen 2 in. This is the answer. Okay. But here they are given this also, this also pen 2 in, but this is called trans pen 2 in. This is called cis pen 2 in. So which is most stable means trans is the most stable. Okay. So the answer this is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. In the following reaction, this is called propine. Propine undergo polymerized to get common A. So what's the common is obtained means we are getting, methylene is obtained. Methylene means, here the commons will be like this. Just remember, suppose that we already studied. If you have only ethane means what's the formula? CH triple bond CH. Understood? If it undergo polymerization, we get what? Benzene is obtained. But here is called propane. Propane undergo polymerization, we are getting methylene is obtained. Methylene means it's a formula, no? Okay, right. Will be like this. Alternate position you put what? CH3 group. Alternate position you put CH3 group. But the question is what? Not that question. Question is what? Number of sigma bond present in the product A. There's a question. Okay. How many sigma bond should be present in methylene? They're asking. Okay. So here, simply remember between C and C inside. How many sigma bond? We have 6 sigma bond. Understood? The following. Between C and C we have 6 sigma bond. Then here CH is there. Between C and H in benzene ring we have 3 sigma bond. That or not? Between C and H, CH here. Okay. The next one here. Okay. Again here, between, around this we have what? How to write this one? Around this we have 4 sigma bond. Here also 4 sigma bond. Here also 4 sigma bond. So here, outer group I put what? Here, in CH3, around CH3, I write like this. You just try to understand. Around CH3 we have 4 sigma. For one CH3 we have 4 sigma bond. Here 3 times, no. So 12 sigma bond. Understood? So you just add all this. We can get what? I think 21. 21 is the correct one. Understood? So 21 sigma bonds are there. So this is the correct one. Okay. They're asking only the sigma bond. No. Okay. Right. 21 is the correct one. Understood? So these are the solution for these 7 questions. Okay. I think you understood everything. Okay. Thank you, students.